Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how you can pass objects and function from the parent component to the child component. So here, this initial setup is I have a component that is called app.js. This will be a parent component for us. I'm creating a new component, student.js. This will be a child component for us. Okay, so let me create a function. I will name it student, then it will receive few props. Let's return one button and I will just call it as a I will give a text as click. Okay. Mm, let's export it so that we can use it in parent component. Export default, then student. Okay. In app component we will import it. Import student from component student. Now we can use it here. In place of app component, I will just put this student component. Let's see the output. You can see button is visible now. So now let's pass an object from here. Okay. So first of all, I will create a object student first name, or I will just give it as a name mark and age 25. Okay. Now I will pass this through the property. So what we need to give is this is the variable which we are giving object variable, and this is the props which the child component, that is student, will receive. Okay, so here we have passed as student. So let me give some new name stu only. Okay, so that you will not be get confused. So stu will be available here in props. So what we can do, I will just wrap it around this React fragment, and let me write label. Okay, so inside label we will write props dot stu. Okay, the stu which is this one, and then dot name. In same way, I will write a props dot is stu dot age. So here name is, then we can print the name which we have passed, then age is like this. Okay, now let me save it. So here we are passing one object to the child component, and here you can see we are printing it. Okay, so let's see the output. So you can see name is Mark, ages 25. So just let me provide the line break. So here you can see we are getting the object properties from the parent component to the child component. Okay, let me put on the break so it will look good. So this is the way how we pass object from parent component to the child component. Okay, another example will be, let's consider we have input box. Okay, here what we will do is on blur or on change, let's say on change, whatever value we are typing on in the child component, it should go to the parent component. So here, let me write a function const uh, input change. This is the arrow function. Here, what I will do is I will pass input change from parent component to the child component. Now this input change will be available in student, and here I will use props dot input change. Okay. Now what it will do is, let me just put few BRs over here as well. What it will do is, it will whatever means once we start typing, it will trigger this input event which is written over here, and we can accept those value. Let's say event over here and console.log e dot target dot value. Let's see if it works. Okay, let me start typing MARK. You can see this is coming from this particular line. Okay, on change. So we have written console.log then e.target.value. So it is coming from there, and we are successfully able to pass a function from parent component to the child component. I will give you another example. So I can also pass btn click event. It is not an event, it is a function actually. So I will just pass one function, and I will write console.log button clicked. Okay, and this button click I will again pass from parent to the child, whatever we are passing. So this particular variable will be available with the props. So in this button click event, I will write on click and then pass the function which we have got from the parent. Okay, and here now when we click on the button, let's clear the console. You can see button clicked. So this is the way how we can pass objects and functions from parent component. Other way of doing is destructuring it is like constant, then we can do props, and here we will get stu comma input change comma button click. Okay, so instead of writing this props, we can now directly write those properties. And if you want to destructure it further, then another thing is you can do like this, name and age. Okay, so you don't need to write this stu also. Now save it and see the output. It is same. Let me write uh, John button click. So everything is working. Okay, so that's it for the video. Please comment if you need some clarification on this. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss further updates.